In this video, I'll show you how to program Universal Remote for Xbox One. Step 2. Check compatibility. Ensure your Universal Remote is designed to control a media device or game console. Have your Xbox One turned on. Look for the appropriate device codes in your remote manual. Step 2. Enter the device codes. Press and hold the Setup or Device button on your remote. Enter the 4 or 5-digit code for Xbox One. Release the button and the light should blink to confirm. Step 3. Test and verify. Test the remote by navigating the Xbox dashboard. If it responds, the code is correct. Press enter or stop to save. If it doesn't work, repeat the progress with a new code. And that's how you program your universal remote for the Xbox One. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye.